away they go. Gondor from the outside. Final countdown. Kaligatan. Andorra is racing from the outside. Bahala na is running by the row. It's now Kaligatan. Final countdown. And racing from the outside, Gondor, Andorra, Mr. Saber, Bahala na is running by the rail, Madame Leonora, Reality Show, rushing up, caught in the Axitonet and Sunday Street. Kaligatan by some 3 lengths, followed by Gondor from the outside, final countdown, Bahala na, rushing up in the middle. Rounding the far turn, Kaligatan by only 2 lengths. Bahala na. Racing on the outside, Mr. Saber. Gondor, down on the inside is Andorra. As they race the final corner, Bahala na is now the leader. Kaligatan, Andorra down on the inside. Mr. Saber, Gondor caught in the act. And nearing the finish line, Bahala na. Racing away now by some 6 lengths, followed by Mr. Saber, Andorra, and finally Bahala na. Mr. Saber close with caught in the Axitonet, Reality Show, Andorra. Number 8.
Okay, unofficial